Today, prosecutors filed more child abuse charges against the Spokane man suspected of beating his girlfriend's baby to death last week. Detectives think they can now prove James Cooley is responsible for attacks on a different child back in May. Our Jeff Humphrey is live on the Sky Deck tonight. And, Jeff, Cooley's jailhouse confession could help another woman get her child back from Child Protective Services.
And Robin, that's because up until now, little Aaron Getz's injuries have been something of a mystery. Back in May, police were not able to charge a man named Cooley, James Cooley, and so for that and other reasons, Child Protective Services came down hard on that child's mother.
I didn't actually leave my son with him. I left my son with his mom.
April Fagan says she was only away for less than an hour when someone shook her son so violently that he suffered brain damage and lost part of his vision.
I'm really glad that they caught him, but if they would have listened to me the first time, the other baby wouldn't have had to suffer.
Fagan implicated James Cooley, but an 18-hour time delay kept police from being able to prove Cooley was responsible. It wasn't until Cooley was arrested for Santiago Two Heart's death last week that he finally admitted he had also abused Fagan's son, Aaron, back in May. Fagan says she did everything she could to show that she wasn't responsible for Aaron's injuries.
Right after all this happened, I did a lie detector test. I was the first one to do it, actually, to prove my innocence, and they still took him from me.
Fagan says because police never charged Cooley, that Child Protective Services put Aaron in a foster home. Now she hopes she can convince CPS she is ready to take Aaron back.
Because I'm a good mom, and I'm doing everything I can to get him back, and I'm doing my drug tests, and I'm passing them, and I'm doing everything else they want me to.
Now, CPS did allow Miss Fagan to keep her older son, and she's hoping now that James Cooley's been charged that she will be allowed to be reunited with her son, Aaron. Reporting live in Spokane, Jeff Humphrey, KXLY 4.